Hello, little explorers! Welcome to another wild safari adventure. Today, we're meeting the reptiles of the African savanna. They are scaly, slithery, strong, and sometimes scary, but always amazing. Are you ready? Let's hiss and snap our way through the savanna. First stop, the river. Guess who lives here? I am very big. I have a long tail and sharp teeth. I love to swim. And snap! Yes, it's the Nile crocodile. Fun facts. Crocodiles can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes. They wait quietly in the water, then jump out fast to catch their food. They clap their jaws so loudly it sounds like a drum. Let's play a game. When I say snap, you clap your hands fast like crocodile jaws. Snap, snap!
Yay!
Next, let's look in the trees. Who is very slow? But magical. I can change my colors. My eyes move in 2 directions. I have a super long tongue. Yes, it's the chameleon. Fun facts. Chameleons change colors not only to hide, but also to show their feelings. They use their sticky tongues like a lasso to catch insects. Their eyes can look forward and backward at the same time. Let's play a game. Let's play Catch the Bug. Everyone, stick out your tongue and say slurp, like a chameleon. Now let's crawl along the ground. I am very big, with sharp claws. I can swim, climb, and run fast. Who am I? Yes! The Nile monitor lizard. Fun facts. It's one of the biggest lizards in Africa. It eats fish, birds, and even crocodile eggs. When it feels scared, it hisses loudly and whips its tail like a whip. Let's play a game. Let's all hiss together like monitor lizards. 1, 2, 3, hiss, hiss, yes!
Yay!
Here's a slower animal. I carry my house on my back. I walk slowly but surely. My shell has black and yellow spots. Yes, it's the leopard tortoise. Fun facts. This tortoise can live more than 50 years. Its shell is like armor, protecting it from danger. Even if it's slow, it's very strong. Let's play a game. Let's walk like tortoises. Step, step, step. Everybody say, slow and steady.
Yay!
Now let's slither through the grass. I am very long. I don't have venom. I squeeze my food tightly until I can swallow it whole. Yes, it's the African rock python. Fun facts. It can grow longer than a car. It eats birds, antelopes, and even crocodiles. It opens its mouth very wide to swallow. Let's play a game. Let's slither like snakes. Put your hands together and move like a snake while hissing.
Yay!
Last stop, explorers. I am a snake with a hood. I hiss loudly when I feel danger. I can spit venom to protect myself. Yes, it's the African spitting cobra. Fun facts. The cobra's venom can go as far as 2 meters. It aims for the eyes of its enemies. But don't worry, cobras are shy and prefer to stay away from people. Let's play a game. Let's all pretend to be cobras. Raise your arms like a hood and hiss, hiss.
Yay!
Wow, what an amazing safari! Let's remember all the reptiles we met. Nile crocodile, snap, chameleon, slurp, Monitor lizard, hiss. Leopard tortoise, slow and steady. Rock python, hiss. Spitting cobra, hiss. Great job, little explorers. Which reptile was your favorite? Let's wave goodbye to all our reptile friends. All together. Bye-bye, crocodile. Bye-bye, chameleon. Bye-bye, monitor lizard. Bye-bye, tortoise. Bye-bye, python. Bye-bye, cobra. See you next time, little explorers, for another amazing adventure in the African savannah. Bye-bye.